when the price breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks, VWAP now. That's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BSC been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt it now. The setup never stops working. Hit me. Wow. Hit it. I said the double break. Double break. Take it to the bridge. Double break. One more time now. Double break. It's bounce down the one. Woo. Black shirt club. Woo. Ass flat facts. Somebody tell Austin. Thank you. The double break is back. Said the double break is back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back. Take it down now. Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weekends make their move. By 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me, trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Lay out here, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. He said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grand for me to eat. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose, right? So I know how not to lose. Black shirt club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily, walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, said don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, yeah, truck running loud down the county road. Lay out hits, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just sent them a screenshot. and let the numbers do the talking. Yeah, that's right. It ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free. I told you so. Truck running out down county road. Hey, out here, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free. Funded and free. They said it couldn't happen. Said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job. Said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free. And I'm living it loud. Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started. Sitting up the level, watching how it's played. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age, that's the truth I'm saying. V-Wap rolling, cool back calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight, that's the line I'm holding. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day, no room for folding. Payouts coming like the tide. Stack it firm and let the structure be my guide. Quiet mind, breathe and let it ride. Discipline, patience, execution, that's my pride. Red candle, green candle don't mean nothing. Stick to the system, let the data sing. No fear, no greed, just the plan and the play. The same 5 rules I'm living by today. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Jobs don't lie, that's the gospel I'm relaying. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah, we're trading, trading, trading on. Steady as the sun, this groove goes on and on. What is that? Randy. What is that candle? What is that candle? What is that candle? Trump tweet hit the wire at 9:15. Every algo on the planet lost its mind. mysteriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1 minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC went nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle out and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle. Trump news in the market just blew right through 150 points and Randy already knew. Fuck it, boner candle. They got earnings season, they got Fed Day too, they got CPI reports and Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing hits the chart like a Trump tweet at 9. Randy's got a name for it, and brother, it ain't kind. It ain't the news that moves it. It's the candle that it leaves behind. Funded account traders seen it all before. Double break the VWAP, the fractal and more, but nothing stops the stream like a 150 rip. Randy grabs the mic and lets the name slip. Austin tries to explain it on the chart real cool. Can't explain a boner candle using normal tools. Black shirt club will tell you when you ask them why. Sometimes the market just points straight at the sky. Boner candle. Oh, boner candle. What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle. Boner candle. Trump news in the market just blew right through 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle. Randy called it. Can't uncall it. Black Shirt Club. Never forget. The boner candle of 2025. Hey! Hey! Yeah! I said, the double break is back! Woke up this morning, pulled up the chart, saw the setup forming, knew it from the start. Price broke the level, came back for the test. Double break confirmed, Austin said it's the best. Waited on the retest, like he said to do. 1 minute candle closed, and I knew it was true. I pulled the trigger clean, didn't flinch, didn't stray. A double break set up, paid again today. The double break is back, back. Oh, said the double break is back, back. A Black Shirt Club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. See the weak hands bail when the first break fails. They think it's done, they gone. They off the rails, but the BSC stays locked. We've seen this before. Double break means price is coming back for more. Level gets retested, volume starts to build. Freckle lines up clean, you know the setup's filled. Discipline and patience, that's the FFX way. Double break put money in my account today. The double break is back, back. Woo! Said the double break is back, back, back. A Black Shirt Club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Now when the price breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks VWAP now, that's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BSC been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt it now. double break. Always coming back. Ash Facts.
Sun up on the screen, coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles telling me no. I watch that line like a shoreline move. If price holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. Be wet, it's the line I trust. Be wet, when it clean and dust. Be wet, I don't need a guess. Be wet, that's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm eyes, I seen the track. Break out, toss loud, and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the bad aside. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. Fat flex in my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line and I breathe. Be wet, it's the line I trust. Be wet, when it clean and dust. Be wet, I don't need a guess. Be wet, that's my edge, my test. Wrong silence, pay that fee. Now I trade what I see. No loud mouth, no hero play. Just take the setup, and walk away. That's the line I trust. Be wet, when it clean and dust. Be wet, I don't need a guess. Be wet, that's my edge, my test.
Yeah. They don't know nothing about this. Caught on the charts. The other charts. I'm up at 6 a.m. I'm up at 6 a.m. Pre-market looking clean. Sharpest dress trader that the pop firm ever seen. V-wap like a river and I'm fishing in the bend. Drew my level perfect, now I'm waiting for the trend. Micro E-mini, I don't play with the big dogs yet. But I'm stacking up the payouts on the funded account set. 3 months in the challenge like a prison doing time. One green day away from touching freedom on a dime. Then this phone go off like a grenade in the quiet room. True social notifications spell my account's doomed. Straight up horn moves, general, something about a deal. NQ fell 100 points before my mind could feel. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I am not a trader, I am a trading experience. That's the proper is just about my level of persistence. Discipline, patience, execution, that's the trinity. But ain't no candle pattern for presidentialicity. I study price action like a preacher study scripture. Every morning pour the chart and paint a perfect picture. Support and resistance, I can teach it in my sleep. Then one post about Tehran in my account 6 feet deep. Real talk, I had to set above the century. NQ a value, trend was elementary. Finger on the mouse like I'm about to change my life. Then the commander-in-chief went and brought a knife. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L market's real. I've been staring at these candles since the early morning. I was back, tested every setup, calculated all the powers. Taught me more about patience than a Bloomberg terminal. But patience don't mean nothing when the news is terminal. They say the market prices and all available information. Nobody pricing 3 a.m. True social notifications. I am the best trader that you never heard of yet. Give me back my funded account and watch me not forget. Reset the account like Wayne reset the mixtape game. Light it up tomorrow, yeah, the setup look the same. One eye on the chart and one eye on the feed. Cause in this Trump market, information gonna lead. Yeah, true social, stop loss. They don't put that in the curriculum. Discipline, patience, execution, and pray you don't post. Wheezy. S&P 500 want some more. They said the market was against us. We said, nah, we got the VWAP. It's astronomical. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Crack the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirming, I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll core. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one core. Opening range set up like a block. Control. Bears pushed it under, tried to swallow it whole. VWAP reclaim like Prada moving on a stroll. Double break the top side, now we deep in the road. I move them minis like I'm moving them packs. Opening range high broke, no looking back. New York VWAP my corner, that's my turf on the map. Weak hands got shook, they ain't never coming back. Plugged into the supply before the sun came up. Every morning opening range fills my cup. First break fake out, got the ops asking what. Second break confirmed and I'm touching up. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Trap the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one cord. She said, how you always calm at the bell? I said, baby, I've been studying this opening range spell. New York, VWAP, my religion, I know it well. Double break my sermon, gotta start, read it, tell. It's astronomical the way this thing set up. Opening range, low broke, everybody fed up. VWAP like a corner boy, it never gave up. Reclaim the line and now the top side getting towed up. Perched up in the platform like I'm posted on the block. 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I own this whole clock. 5 minis deployed like I'm running the flock. Paid before breakfast and I dead both alive. Opening range is the territory. VWAP is the connect. Double break is the lick. The system is the architect. They trap the block, I trap the chart. Same discipline, different art. Patience on the corner, patience at the open. Either way, you wait or leave broken. I don't move unless the VWAP say move. I don't size up unless I'm deep in the groove. Opening range, high or low, that's the only two. Double bring my confirmation, that's the code I use. They out here shooting blind, I'm picking off a snipe. Opening range, bombs up and I wait for it to ripen. New York VWAP, the signal when the time is getting right. In 5 minis, trigger pull when everything's aligning. Pay before breakfast every morning, it's a ritual. Opening range, double break, nothing is coincidental. System built for this and everything is subliminal. We the squad and everything is criminal. VWAP, open the range. Double break, it's astronomical. We already ate. Yeah. We lost one today, BSC. Austin's double break long. She held us down.
What's going on, Chad? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Good tunes as always. Let's kick off our 4th of July weekend celebrations with a little bit of a stream. We're going to go into the open here on ASFX TV as well, but we're going to stay here on pre-market. So Stick around, ask any questions you got. How you doing this week? How are we feeling? You can see Austin had some trades on overnight. 2 quick longs, scalping off the VWAP. We'll definitely get into that once he hops on. But Luigi, what's up? You send me a DM on Discord. Well, let me look at it. Let me look. Probably went to my request because it did not pop up. Oh, it did pop up. You just sent it. So that makes sense. I was like, when did I miss that? Oh, hello.
Hello.
Keenan,
what do you think?
Yep.
I moved my desk. Can you tell?
Oh.
Does the camera angle look different? Like now you only see a little bit of my
left bookcase, more curtain.
Yeah. What do we think?
Yeah. Why is that?
I pulled it over here because I was thinking about getting a bigger desk because I'm thinking of using the laptop for the options trading over here. So I was going to get a little bit longer of a desk and then bring it this way and put a TV up there. Right now the TV's over here.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know if I like
more to the left. It used to be like dead center in the room, but now I'm in the corner because this right here was my old desk. So now I'm in a little bit of an L because now I got a computer over there. So that's kind of like what you want, a separate secondary setup. You can't really tell.
Yes, I did have longs last night.
Yeah.
Did you see I got this little book map, custom little 4th of July banner up top for us today? Jay just whipped that up. Little 4th of July sale going on. I told him, I was like, got to make it red, white, and blue for the 4th of July. But it's a crazy deal, bro. $60.
For what? A month?
First month. Yeah, look at that. With the discount. I went through and did it last night, checked it again this morning. It's active. The link's on screen, everybody. This is one of the best deals we've seen in a while. You know what I'm saying? There's considering how much value you can get from Bookmap.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll definitely
push it for anyone that's been thinking about getting it, but not sure if they would use it. Well, use it. And then if you don't really use it all that much.
The prop challenge is cheaper than a 50K Lucid account.
Yeah. So you can find out if you like it or not. Luigi, what is this? Oh, if you're sending it to me, I appreciate it. You don't need to do that, but big W's, big W's.
I'm negotiating with our Indian video editing team, Mr. J, to get a bunch of this stuff in Notion done. I'm like, how much money do you need so that on Monday morning, all this stuff is done? Like, I don't want to know if you can do it. I just want to know what's the price to get it done. Because, dude, they'll work through the night if it's enough money. It's the way they work. I'm familiar with their work ethic. It's similar cultures to mine. So it's just about making them dance. What's the number? So we're coming to a conclusion. We're going to be very clear on the deadline, though.
We got 2 videos in there. I mean, it used to be like, oh, like you'll get a video. You got your own person for the team. You'll get a video the next day. It's like, well, that dwindled. Wake it up, Jay. If anyone that didn't see, I posted it on my Twitter yesterday and on Instagram that I am running a giveaway next week until Monday. To anyone that buys a Top on Futures account with my code between now and my birthday will get entered into a giveaway. I'm going to give away 2 instant funded accounts.
Nice.
So Luigi just sent me that. He sent me that he entered into it. I just saw Luigi. I appreciate it.
That's good. Yeah,
because they're on a great sale right now. The Ignites, the instant funded. You don't have to buy an instant funded to get entered, but you can. Obviously, that's the one I trade the most.
Do you feel old this birthday or what?
I don't think so, no.
Okay, good.
I mean, I'm closer to 30 than I am now 20.
Sure. That's good. Good math there, Ev. Good job. Good math. Yep.
Good math. Yeah. No, just another day at the office.
Oops, where did my shit just go?
And then I share with my mom and she's turning 60. So it's a big one for her, I guess. I don't know if she liked it, but a big one.
That's a big one for sure.
Yeah. So looking at NQ, overnight just drifted. Couldn't even do those plays he did on ES because those look clean, especially the one recently. But ES just drifting very tiny baby moves up on a bank holiday. So
yeah, I don't know if I'm going to trade this. I'm not going to. I got a payout locked up on this account for TOF, so I'm probably going to just take the payout. It's small, but I don't think I'm going to push it more. It's $400.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what kind of move to expect with how it's been overnight, but it has been one directional.
Did your TPT payout hit? Like, where are you at with that?
Yeah, so that got approved, and then I still have a pro account as well I don't think I'm gonna buy any more. I haven't bought anything with them in a while. And then
they're nice people.
Yeah, you met them in London, right?
Yeah.
We have 2 TOFs that are super close, and then one that's up $800. That's nothing.
What do you want to do? You want to trade longs today? I mean, I
don't
like
know what I
longs.
want to trade today.
No, I mean,
I
it's not a question right now. You should, if we like anything, it's long. Look at Bookmap. It's,
Well,
I
yeah.
mean, just read the screen. It's Bookmap orders up at 70. 70 would be near value area high. That was the trade I liked this morning. I was at 52. I was out at 55. Just wasn't getting the juice, and I didn't want to sit in this thing much longer, so I got out. But I think it's still bullish this morning. I think I wouldn't be surprised if we move higher.
Even with the drop down yesterday, I see it recover in the afternoon a little bit. That's still just trying to hold this start of week view up and build these higher lows. It's been NQ this week that's been a little bit tougher, that it's right back where it started on Monday. This is Monday. We held Monday's low. It's like it did nothing this week. Way more bearish on Wednesday than ES was. It continued that theme yesterday as well. So yes, it looks bullish right now, but it's really just a way tougher week for NQ than ES in terms of longs and buyers. But no, I would not be looking for shorts on a Friday bank holiday above VWAP overnight, above POC, not below yesterday's low. So it's long or flat. Dad turned 58 on July 6th. Oh yeah, that's right. You said I shared a birthday with your dad, and someone else shared a birthday with your wife or something like that. So tell him happy birthday.
I'm getting some stuff set up here before we get into the mainstream. What are we going to do for giveaway today? We did Ignites yesterday. Do we want to do Ignites again today?
50%
I like Ignites
right now.
Yeah, I mean, they're a sick deal.
Just give away like 55 elite access or 1 instant funded. I listened to your Instagram reel. Do you think you can become a good loser when you are a bad loser now? Well, yeah, that's the whole goal. Just because you're a bad loser now doesn't mean you're always going to be. So, yeah, I think you can grow out of that for sure. We were all bad losers at one point. We were all greedy, all had no strategy, no edge, no patience. So, yeah. That was YM overnight. Not the same. Actually made a new high. Where's that like on its all-time highs? It's at an all-time high. Wow. So YM this whole time just been making new all-time highs.
But it's the rotation out of the Mag 7. Like, click through the Mag 7 real quick and you'll see why.
Yeah, maybe we had, oh wow, look at that Apple bar. It's a good one. We had, even yesterday, stocks were moving up. Stocks were moving lower, but the indices were moving up a little bit, vice versa.
Yeah.
At least in the Mag 7. Yeah, good pullbacks. Look at that Tesla.
Can I tell you a story?
$100.
Can I tell you a story that's interesting, actually?
Of course.
So, did you know the day leading up, like July 4th is the day, the document was signed a couple of days before July 4th, but it was when it was finally like edited and like tightened up on July 4th. So there had been fighting going on. Like, if you go back to 1776, why this holiday is so important is because they were constantly fighting the British while then still trying to make a deal to have them be a colony, kind of occupied. Like, imagine living in a time where there's officers from another country on the land that you are saying is yours, but you're also trying to do a deal with them. It's like if China invaded and put troops around us, but also we were doing business with them. It'd be super weird. So this guy, British guy, Thomas Paine, writes this pamphlet. It's like 100 pages. It's like 70 pages. And he proposes these radical ideas explaining why monarchy is stupid, why independence actually has potential upsides for us. There were like these four, I had it written down, these 4 key points that were in the pamphlet. And in the pamphlet, I'm pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong, someone in the chat, the pamphlet was called Common Sense. That's what it was titled. It was, Britain was a burden, not a benefit. Reconciliation was pointless and dangerous because we've already been killing them. And there's a chance to build something new. So, dude, 2.5 million people live in the colonies at this point. Do you want to guess how many people they think bought this pamphlet? And again, the literacy rate was very low. People were not even barely as much as we can all read, right? Guess how many people bought this fucking pamphlet?
11.
500,000 out of 2.5 million. That's like 50 Cent selling a record, right? Or Eminem selling a record, and a quarter of the population basically buying it. Call it a tenth of the population. Whatever. It's an approximate. They say 250 to 500,000. Still, out of only 2.5 million people, that's how influential this 70-page book was. To the point where Thomas Jefferson said Thomas Paine is going to be remembered for starting the revolution with his pen. That's how influential that pamphlet was, because it made the common folk believe it was time to really be independent, which led to the Declaration of Independence being accepted by the colonies. And then it was basically, now we're at war. Now we're going to kill the British and get them the fuck out of here. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
And then, even worse, Thomas Paine died broke and basically alone. 7 people at his funeral. And now here we are talking about him, crediting him with the, at least in part, winning over the mind of the people that we needed to be independent, which led to our freedom today.
Thank you,
pretty
Thomas.
Interesting. It's pretty interesting. To die alone and not have the credit that he deserved, but then still be where we are today is the most interesting part, I think, for me.
Yeah, like he died not thinking he made any impact.
But you know what's crazier maybe out of all of that? Is because it was so accepted by everyone. They were reading it in taverns. George Washington would use the pamphlet to rally his troops, bro. Okay? Like, it was that influential. Maybe he wasn't the only one thinking it. He was just the one that had the balls to write it and say it.
Oh, yeah.
That's what that says to me.
Yeah, he's the pioneer of it.
They're making a movie called Young Washington, and it's about George Washington coming up. I'm excited for that.
Yeah, I love a good war movie.
A little history war movie for sure.
Yeah. I should watch more. I used to like history, like documentaries. I know a lot about the Holocaust.
Like
those are the ones that they just make
the Odyssey, bro. I'm sure you got an IMAX theater near you. You should go see the Odyssey.
Yeah.
It comes out in 2 weeks.
That's like 17th or something. Soon.
Yeah. That'll be. I'm telling you, that's going to be a good one. The cinematography and it's going to be really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is there something else coming out? I mean, a bunch did come out.
We got a lot of good movies this year, honestly. I mean,
yeah.
I hate to say this, but I am excited to see how Marvel spins Robert Downey Jr. I like him as an actor.
Oh, yeah,
he's the only one in the movies.
He's not Iron Man. He's Dr.
Doom. Yeah, he's the bad guy. So I'm just excited to see how he does that. It's going to have some humor in it. It'll be the CGI could go for me. You know what I mean? That could go. So
yeah.
But anything that Christopher Nolan is in, or Brad Pitt, or Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise has a new movie coming out, that Digger movie, and he's got crazy makeup. It looks really good. Looks funny. What's up, Devon? Thanks, bro. Love you, dude. Recommendations for instant or daily payout accounts. So Evan was talking about, you want to pull it up, Ev, the top one future stuff? They're on sale right now. I mean, you see at the top of the screen, Prop for a Match is a great resource to, compare firms and see what makes the most sense for you. But we've always been big advocates of the instant sims and the ignites with top one futures.
Mm-hmm. And if you're not sure, I do have a full playlist on my YouTube for all the top one futures accounts. So you can find that here. There's like 6 of them now. For
That's
the
a really
daily
good
payouts on evals, but different account types from all the ones that they've had, might bring back, have came and went, all that good stuff.
Yep.
But yeah, there's a great 4th of July sale going on right now. And then I'm doing my own giveaway within the sale. So plenty of options. McDee's. Happy 4th of July. Trev, what's up? Been a while. Well, welcome on back. Yeah, it's good to know that you got that. I could recognize from the profile picture. You used to have no profile picture, Trev. Now you got a nice one. Been studying the double break all week. We'll start applying properly next week. Yeah, nice. Plenty of good YouTube videos out there. And then once you go through that and you get a good gist on it, you come into the streams and then you keep brushing it up. Get a little bit better at it, a little bit better, day by day. Of course, Villa. Of course. It's Friday. But hopefully that helps Han Solo. Is that Hans Lolo? I'm just gonna call you Han Solo. Close enough. But yeah, NQ were very dry. But what did you expect? We had this 2 weeks ago, 2 Fridays ago.
Will we be able to trade options today or no?
I don't know. I doubt it.
Can you figure that out? Can you look into that for me real quick? I'd like to. I've really enjoyed trading the options.
Closed Friday. U.S. options market is closed today.
Yeah, because the stocks are closed. It's just futures have half day.
Futures, yep. 12 o'clock Central Time. $103.
Love this song.
Tim, good morning. Long time lurker, first time commenting. That's good. Welcome on in.
Okay.
Well, I guess welcome back, but good to put yourself out there. It's from
Happy to have you, buddy.
Charity. There you go. That was close. Good. Yeah, that's what we had in when we went to the Tampa. When we had the Tampa boot camp, we went to dinner. There's a bunch of the guys like, dude, I watch you all the time. Like, I just don't speak up. I'm like, what the hell?
Yep.
Say something. Like, you're
No,
but like they're always in there. So there's
we get
300 people in there
hard,
that
bro.
150 are always here, but like I don't know them by name because you don't make it known.
No.
But like I recognize a lot of these names because you say hi every morning. They're like, no, I just like to listen and watch. I'm like, all right.
Pull up the boot camp website if you don't mind, Ev. Maybe it's good morning reminder for some of these people that have been lurking that they can come see us at the boot camp. You don't have to be lurking if you don't want to be, is what I'm saying. Come hang out. You know what I mean? Our event's going to sell out. We already sold, I think, almost 10 tickets in the first day. So it will definitely move. There's no doubt about it.
2027.
Damn. And you were like, it's far away. A couple of people hit me up and said, well, like, it's far away. I don't know if I can commit to it. I said, I don't care if you can commit to it. It's going to sell out. It's not really my problem if you can or you can't. What do you want me to say to that? You know what I mean?
We know the Super Bowl is next February. And like, I want to
go.
And
you're going to watch that. So.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's, put me right on top. First name you read. Who's speaking? Evan speaking.
You, Evan.
I appreciate that, big dog. That's good.
Yeah, Snow Rat.
Hormones. They say the darnest things.
They do.
But yeah. May 13th, 14th, 2027.
Yeah, I got the I want to get the video put in here so we can show them the video too.
Oh. I have to get another new jacket. You can't repeat the same one. I'm going to go back to Nova.
Get another one. You do not wear the same jacket. That would definitely make us look way too poor, bro. Do not even think about it. I will slap you. Fashion sense, impeccable.
And wearing brown shoes with a black outfit.
Listen, dude. They definitely don't pay him for his fashion sense, to say the least.
Brian can wear whatever he wants. Alex
Brian can do whatever the fuck
Alex is there this year again. I think Alex was interested in coming again when you mentioned it on stream.
Who?
Alex Rodriguez.
Oh yeah. I think I can tell you. You'll know all the people who bought a ticket already. I think.
Yeah.
Michelle from last year, Edgar, Ben from Blackshirt Club, Ryan Holland, who was there 2 years ago. The only person I don't know.
And where is Edgar from again? Did he travel far? You know where Edgar's from?
I want to say he's in California, but I could be wrong. Bro.
Oh yeah,
I think he's in California.
Okay. Yeah.
Hopefully he's not listening to this because then I'll be embarrassed.
A lot of West Coast.
A lot of West Coast.
For anyone that's been around all week, I've been live every day this week, pre-market except for yesterday. But we're going to do it again next week. But also the more important thing on Specs TV. You can join us all next week, all next month for free this month. First 30 days free. You get access to all the strategies, the courses. So if you haven't signed up, I know it's a holiday weekend, but you got time to study up and then come back in on stream on Monday, ready to start trading it with us and then continually getting better at it. But rather than jump in on a Monday and feel overwhelmed, you got all weekend to not trade, but just study, watch the courses, watch the replays, and we'll do more giveaways next week. So the link for that's in my bio, Austin's bio, but you just use code FIRST on Specs TV. That's where we're going to head over today. We'll stay live here on X and YouTube.
Yeah.
But normally we don't.
Yeah.
So if you're a long time lurker, come on in. You too, Tim.
Yeah, I mean, I'm working right now. I'm getting a trade syncer set up with a bunch of accounts. I'd like to take a little something here.
What, a trade?
Yeah, I'm gonna see market opens in 15 minutes. See if it juices. I'm gonna be long. I'm not gonna short it.
No, maybe we just trade the open juice. That's the only juice we may get.
Excuse
More
me.
risk off today. Yeah, Trev. Yeah, I mean, so if you have an eval or something that's in drawdown, I don't know. Really, just like whatever's $400 away from payout, try to get that payout on Monday.
Yeah, we're gonna take the payout for me today. We're not gonna risk the payout.
Yeah, and if you miss a winner, it's like, oh, that could have gotten the payout. Don't care. They could also get it on Monday or Tuesday. Just not worth the risk for the reward of that payout. Because if you set yourself back on a bank holiday, you're just going to be more upset with yourself probably, and that's just not worth it. I think on Juneteenth when we traded, like you made money.
Evan.
You made money on stream.
Bro? I wake up. This is in my head.
Boner
this
candles?
Shit slamming. Yes, bro. Turn it up.
I just listen to Funded and Free.
I fucking love this song, bro. And it's crazy that I'm walking around my house, like hanging out with my family, singing "Boner Candle." It's crazy. It's crazy. That wasn't on my bingo card for sure.
No, thank Ben.
Thank Ben.
Bakara, what's up? Hello. Yeah, when I joined the room earlier before I hopped on, there was a song playing that I didn't really recognize, but it was good.
Yeah, there's a couple of the back half of the mixtape. They're kind of unreleased underground stuff that a lot of people don't know.
Okay. Little teasers. Gotcha.
I actually have a call with the record label today. We're working on the second mixtape. So
yeah, first one was so good. Said if this one pops off too, we can potentially talk about tour.
The Boner Candle tour. No, I like the Funded and Free tour better. That's a little more on brand for us.
I think we can get more branding and marketing done with that.
Yeah. If we call it the Boner Candle tour, we're definitely not getting a lot of sponsors.
Yeah, we'll play PNC, Funded and Free. Got an instant funded with only $600 drawdown left. I just entered a long looking for max profit for the day up to value very high, no stop loss. Alrighty, Godspeed. Good luck, David. Sure. What is it in my brain that I just can't say names? I don't know. But the indicator, if you look on the bottom of my screen.
Let me actually answer that for you, Evan. Ready?
I'm ready. Oh, you got a video for?
How do we feel about that? Do we like that?
There you go.
I like that.
So that's how I put it on my chart. But you can go to the link in my bio, Austin's bio. You're watching on YouTube, so it's in one of our bios. It's the first link.
Yep.
Otherwise, you could search it up yourself, but that's just the easiest way. Yeah, we're probably gonna look for trades. Pick something somewhere on some account. There's really no other holidays in July, right? Should just
No.
be a clean slate of full weeks. Probably really through August, no?
Yeah.
What else is there?
Nothing.
Labor Day. That's it. That's good. The indicator drop down. It's a VWAP trading concept. If you're on someone's YouTube, just right here, link in bio, and then it's right there. First thing, smacking you in the face. All right, and then that'll take you to Flux Charts. That's another way. You could just go to Flux Charts. What's the link for that one, Austin? .biz/acefx.biz/indicator.
Yep, it's on the bottom of the screen.
So yeah, there you go. Yeah, you can read more about it here. Click all these different tabs. And then, like I mentioned, for the AceFX TV stream today, we're going to do some giveaways. But anyone that's unfamiliar, so we are live on X and YouTube right now. So you can see here in 5 minutes, we're going to fire up this stream as well. We'll stay live where you're watching now, but not normally. It's only on Friday. So if you want to get access to all these other streams next week, but more importantly, the strategy, the courses as well, you get free access to that when you sign up. So study Austin's 101, my 2.0 over the weekend in bite-sized chunks, and then come back in next Monday still for free, and then spend a month with us. Watch the replays if you want to see what we traded this week. They're all posted there, and then you also get access to the giveaways.
So remember, I was trading that Alpha Futures account yesterday. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
I passed it. I thought I didn't pass it.
What's wrong?
I have to make $68 on it.
Happens. What's next?
Sun up on the screen, coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles, telling me no. I watch that night like a shoreline move. If price holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blinding through. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. It's the line I trust. When it clean and dust. I don't need a guide. That's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm eyes, I see the track. Break out, talks loud, and it snaps back. I cut small, lost, take the
Any other questions? We're gonna hop over to AceFX TV.
Yeah, we're gonna take a little 5
We'll
minute
priority
break.
that chat, but we'll still answer any questions. And then whatever you do, we'll be live probably until 11. But after that, shut it down.
Yeah.
It's over at 1 o'clock. That doesn't mean you trade until 1. So we'll see if we can find an opportunity. Still the beginning of the month, so you should keep that perspective on the end of the month of see if I could sprinkle on any small win today. That would be good. Doesn't need to be a max profit day. Doesn't need to be all my accounts. So just take what I can get, and then we'll have a full week next week with more opportunities, and we'll try to maximize on that week. We've had 2 good days. We've had a good week, but then 2 days to start the month, Wednesday and Thursday here. So don't need to press anything. Alto, Bacaro, Drev, David, Consolo, Devin. Appreciate everyone hanging out pre-market, especially everyone that did in the beginning of the week as well. If you're heading out early, enjoy the weekend, enjoy the holiday. See you back on Monday. And then, yeah, keep you posted on anything over the weekend. But enjoy the weekend. Come back in ready to go on Monday. Unplug at least on one of the days. Probably tomorrow since it's actually the 4th. And then if you want to do some studying on Sunday, that's fine. RJ, Evan, this week was tough. How was yours? I mean, yeah, it wasn't beautiful, especially since I'm heavily more on NQ. It was just a little bit tricky having to read ES and NQ, but green overall. Took losses on Wednesday that I bounced back from. Yesterday took loss on the options account, but flat on futures until after. So green.
I think I'm
And
running
one
into
I took a reversion trade yesterday, yeah. Of all things. We'll pull it up on stream. I'm gonna take a break just a minute.
Might be running into my first issue with the alpha thing. I can't get into this account here. Let's see, does that work? No. Weird. All right, we'll have to play with that later.
Do you want to run a intro? Or what are we doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna run an intro in 2 minutes. I'll do
Right
it.
in.
Yeah, we're gonna go right into it.
Trading experience. That's the proper about my level of persistence.
And the giveaways that we're going to run today are going to be for Apex TV members only, but take 2 minutes to sign up for free, so
It's easy.
still got time. And then keep an eye on the chat of how to enter the giveaway. It's fairly simple. We just send a link that you just got to fill your name out on, so we'll send it multiple times. So pay attention for that today if you're on Apex TV. And then if you're not, sign up.
I think we're good. Let me pause us here. Okay. Quick 5-minute break, everybody, and then we will be right back.
I said, the double break is back! They think it's done, they gone. They off the rails, but the beat Now when the price breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks, VWAP now. That's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BSC been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt it now. The setup never stops working. Hit me. Wow. Hit it. I said the double break. Double break. Take it to the bridge. Double break. One more time now. Double break. It's bounce down the one. Woo. Black Shirt Club. Woo. SFX. Somebody tell Austin. Thank you. The double break is back. Said the double break is back. A Black Shirt Club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back. Take it down now.
Oh, happy 4th of July, everybody. Happy Friday. It's good to be here. Good to be live with you. We got a jam-packed stream today. Evan's here. Randy's here. We're in for hopefully some more action to the upside. That's what we're hoping for. What's up, Randy? Nice shades, dude.
Thanks.
Not much, dude. We were live pre-market getting everybody ready. So we've got some people here. Friends, we are going to do a giveaway again today, just like yesterday, but it's only for our ASFX TV members. So please, if you can, click the link in my bio, click the link in Evan or Randy's bio, sign up. The prop account giveaways are for members only. Now, Ev, are we going to juice here right at 9:30? You guys can see I had longs at 34 last night, out at 47. That was a nice 13-point move. And then this morning I had longs at 52. I felt like I wanted it lower at 50. So I got out of it at 55. And now I'm just sitting here flat going into the open, flat on everything. So,
I mean, yeah, define juice. I don't know.
I don't know.
Move overnight on NQ.
I like
Just
the
like
orders
a-
above 5770, 5780 on Bookmap. Everybody, the Bookmap sale starts today. I know a lot of you have been itching for that. It is on. The Bookmap sale is on. It's $60.30 if you use the link and the code on screen. Again, the biggest sale of the year. I've been saying that all week. I told you guys to wait to buy. This is the best sale. So first thing you're going to do is go to this link, asfx.biz/bookmap, asfx.biz/bookmap. Nope, not boot camp, Bookmap. That's going to take you to this website. Once you get here, I'm just going to show you this really quickly. Once you get here, it's going to show you the 4th of July offers right here. The cheapest one is the top one right there. So you click that, go through all of this. The next page is where you're going to put in this discount code, ASFX 50 plus 10. That comes in at the next page. Okay. If anybody has issues with that, put it in the chat. I'll help you out. But it looks like we want these orders above. How high are we going? 7,600 would be above value area high if we want to move that high.
Yeah,
I like the longs, boys.
I think it's achievable. That I took that same long as you last night, and my video is coming out today on it. But that's what I call the easy money Asia trades. You basically have a. Should I go over that quickly, or I have a markup of it?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Oh shit! Sorry, I didn't even.
Yeah. I was just letting you go.
It's
And then you put
Friday.
Evan back up too.
You can rip me,
You
bro.
you
It's Friday.
you literally bitched at me yesterday. You were like, you brought me up too early. So I didn't bring you up early today. I let you get ready, and you brought yourself up early. You fucked yourself today, brother.
I love you, man.
At least I didn't
That's what
fuck you twice.
How you grow, right? It's how you grow.
Yeah, I
But no,
guess.
this
Or get a
trade
loose
right here is
butthole.
just this is when I talk about easy money Asia trades. You basically have a sell-off yesterday. An interesting thing about the sell-off on Bookmap, the CVD never really was anything crazy. It was sitting at like minus 2,000 by the end of the day, which was interesting. As I started to read into it, the sellers were never really in. It was just a slow kind of sell-off throughout the day. And so I have a low a day VWAP on here, but you can see at the Asia Open, we open up above this previous day's value area low. we get above this overnight VWAP, we stay above it. You take this long, you have your stop below these lows back here, and you can see this thing it's one of those trades where it just wants to grind back up, and it just grinded back up, and then you got a pop, and then when you see the pop, that's your sign to exit the trade. So I think it was an easy 20 points in Asia. 20 points is like you're laughing if you're making 20 points. So
right.
I love these trades, and I got a YouTube video dropping today on breaking down. There was 2 of them last week I caught. So they're just really nice trades when they set up. You got to take these trades. You don't wait. You just take them, set it, forget it, walk away. Boom, done. So.
Okay. Love it. Higher here at the open, 54 to 58, 4 points so far. That's it on ES. Evan, anything you like?
Yeah, I like the longs. It's just look at NQ. Didn't even pull back to that overnight build up that you played off of. It's just continually grinding away from it.
Well, I'm just going to throw this in here.
Longs or nothing, unless you want to trade it back to the VWAP. I just don't know if on a bank card there's enough sellers to do that. That's the way I look at it. Of like, may not be a whole lot of buyers moving us higher here. There's just lack of sellers. That do we expect such a big pullback to give me that retest I want and then long it back up on a shortened holiday? I don't know.
Well, on Bookmap, I know it's a shortened holiday. Bookmap's not looking like a holiday to me. 172 contracts above, like it's heavy above. So I don't know. Yeah. I'm trying to let the opening range set. I think we can hold out a little bit by talking about yesterday, only because I think it's really important for the chat to see this. We talk about this a lot, everybody. And I know we need to do the giveaway today. I'm going to put the giveaway link in the chat here in a second. Let me get that going for everybody.
I mean, looking at the volume on TradeAbate before you get into that, it's normally like hundreds of thousands, and ES is 93,000, NQ is 70,000 total volume. So that's pretty dry.
Yeah. What I was going to say just on these 2 trades, this is yesterday's double break, everybody. We see the breakout to the upside first. We see it takes New York VWAP and slides to opening range low and some. But VWAP trend was higher, right? Same setup earlier in the week. Breaks out to the top. VWAP trend. 1 take, slides through. Same setup twice this week. Double break wins, counter trend to the VWAP alignment.
Yeah, wow.
Yep.
That's what kind of yesterday felt like, that trade that you got up right now, where it just kept, we're like, is it going to find a bottom here somewhere? It just kept going lower and lower and lower. So,
yep.
Yeah, tried to hold the daily view up there for like 10 minutes on ES, but no success.
No success. No dice.
Anyone in the chat? London trade, nice.
Yeah, is anyone in stream on a trade already?
I thought I saw someone here.
Yeah, David in the pre-market long and praying for a miracle. So hopefully that's working out. He said, I got $600 left to draw down long. I got no stop loss. I'm like, okay.
I just don't see it coming much lower. I don't see how that's happening. So I'm just thinking about stop loss placement on it. Really don't think you'd want to be stuck in if you're buying it up here at 55, you don't want to be below 45. You know what I mean?
Yeah. What did we have last time, Austin? We had a 10-point opening range on that.
I think it was something like that.
Yeah.
What do we have so far? 6.
6.
Yep.
Yeah, NQ only 36 points. I want that in a bar. I want a 100-point bar. We had that last week, so it's crazy how it could just dry up. Go back to trading 5 minis today or 5 micros.
So YouTube chat's asking, so we can ignore the VWAP alignment if we're trading the double break? The stats would say yes, you would want to ignore the VWAP alignment and play the double break regardless. Right now, if you look at it over the last 2 months, maybe even longer, yes, you would just want to play the double break. Technically,
it's going to be interesting to see Luna stats in a few months. We have a couple guys in the BSC that are strictly trading the double break.
Right.
And Michael's saying, so a failed break can happen on one side. Yes, I thought it had to fail on both IB sides. So it's not the IB. It's not the initial balance that we're talking about at all. It's the opening range. So a failed break can happen on one side. Can you re-ask that question?
Yeah. What is a failed break? It either breaks or it doesn't break. So let's just start there.
Yeah.
What is a failed break?
I guess, a break that didn't continue running. So a double break is a break of both sides of the opening range. Austin has dozens of YouTube videos on it now. I do as well. Randy does. So definitely brush up on that because it's also not the initial balance. So you want to get that squared away.
I was asking how to decide whether to take a double break and short it or retest of New York VWAP and long it, like yesterday's loss on ES. You guys got a take on that?
Well, it depends on how you choose to execute the plan of VWAP. Are you going to apply discretion, or are you going to apply more of a systematic approach, like Randy just said, like where Luna and some of these guys in our group are just taking all of the double breaks? I applied discretion. I took the break and retest, not the double break yesterday. So I can't answer that question for a blanket answer. It's what are you doing? Are you doing it discretionary, or are you trying to be systematic? I'm trying to be discretionary. It works for me. I don't think everyone should do that. I think Luna and some of these guys that are trying to build confidence in the strategy, they should take all of them. And it's working for them right now.
Are we below where yesterday's low, where the VWAP's at? How was yesterday's close? All small little things that you have to take into consideration on the one trade you take today.
Yep.
With discretion.
Yep. Randy, you see anything on Bookmap worth talking about?
No, nada. There's those orders above, but it's like the CVD is minus 120. Like it's not even 4 digits. We're not even 1,000.
Okay.
So it's quiet. I was expecting a little bit more volume for the first 60 minutes of the open. We got it last time, but it's almost seemed dry right now. I just wonder if everybody's out partying for getting ready for the 4th of July. They're like, fuck it.
Yeah.
Where people still wanted to work on the last bank holiday.
Right.
Like maybe people are away. I am just because it is quite quiet. Let's just crank the tunes in the background. We'll just jam out. We should get some drinks going.
Muhammad's asking, how do you change your bias when bullish you up and then all of a sudden price goes low you up? You gotta learn to pivot to new information, reading price action, dissecting what's happening on the chart. That when should I switch my bias, given the information that I see? This 4 minutes lower isn't making me bearish, not yet. It's just a pullback. So I'm sticking to the long bias until you get very compelling information to say actually shorts maybe look in play. So it's just not being married to one side, being able to read.
I just got long.
Lit. On the TOF?
Yeah.
Alrighty, chat. Bookmap, there's nothing below.
Nothing below. I got orders above.
Trending downwards? I don't think it's trending downwards. I think we pulled back 3 points. Am I wrong?
No, you're not wrong.
Right.
We are sliding. Market selling off.
It's Robert. Robert's changed his name to James.
I can't believe Bookmap is $60 for the first month.
I worked my way from the bottom subscription up to Global Plus over like 2 years because it's not pricey. It just was, another cost. And this is like to get into Bookmap Global Plus, $60. Like, come on now. It's a smoking deal.
I got the funded alpha account too. I got a couple of things cooking. I'm gonna be sharing a lot next week. We got a lot of stuff coming.
Yeah, I started an alpha eval. That's that Asia trade I took. So
nice.
That was a nice $1,000 in that account. So basically a couple grand away from
yeah. Once you're funded, it's alpha's the same as all the other firms. 5 days, 200. It's very standard.
And I know a lot of people that trade with alpha. So
yeah,
it's cool to get another firm and try a different one out for sure.
I'm not going to trade that funded account today, but I am in testing. Everybody, I know some of you are very interested in what we're doing about the trade copier. I'm in testing with the trade copier today, actually, on this trade. So if this goes well and next week the testing goes well, we're going to be announcing our partnership with a new trade copier probably by the end of next week, which is super exciting because with alpha and a bunch of these firms, it's going to be good to link everything together for us. And I think that, like, as I was playing with it, I mean, you two are fucking slow and retarded. I tell you, to make an account, it takes 3 hours. Randy's out jitty on doing something. It's crazy. But if you actually took the time to, I'm talking, all right? If you took the time to work If you at the desk work, you would have set it up yesterday and you would have seen how easy it is. And when I was looking at it, I'm like, oh my God, why haven't we been doing this? Oh, it's because I'm working with you two slow pokes. Now, good thing I'm here to keep us moving forward. That's really what we have to be saying. Thank God. Thank Austin.
What's that? Ev, what's that saying? I remember my first beer. Like, bro gets a trade copier, and all of a sudden he's the trade copier. Computer,
You aren't copying.
Copier.
You're not.
Nicole definitely pissed in his stereo.
Dude, should I go get some beers? It's 4th of July. I got Coors Light in the fridge. Should we start?
Yeah. I
It
think
is
I
pretty
might.
This song makes me want to have a beer.
As American as it gets. Are the Rocky Mountains blue? Then we can
Did
go.
you see Doug's comment?
Then we're
Randy,
drinking.
Randy, I see what you're saying about funded and free invoking emotion. I'm not joking. It literally wants to bring a tear to my eye when I listen
Randy,
to the
you
first
cry
opening.
about everything,
Don't
bro. Like,
admit
it doesn't
that.
mean anything. Like, that doesn't mean anything.
You don't admit that.
Why
You
can't I
just
admit
think
it? Why can't I admit it? It brings a tear to my eye. It makes me happy. It's happy
that- 'cause
tears.
It's AI.
You guys got to get in touch
like I
with
said,
your
bro,
emotions.
it's just if someone cries about everything, who cares when they cry? That's all I'm saying.
That's you just funded and free is not everything. It's a special song. Give it the credit that it's due. I need a cigar and I need a whiskey. That's what I need, and I need funded and free, and I'm good.
Randy, what do you know about the 4th of July? Like, what do you know about American history? When you think of 4th of July, what do you think of?
Fireworks?
Okay.
That count?
Yeah.
What is the 4th of July? Is that when you guys signed the Declaration of Independence?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay. So I know some big words. Don't try and fool me, but I don't know exactly what happened at the signing of the Declaration of Independence. But
I gave Evan a history lesson this morning, and some Indian guy on chat like complimented me that every time he comes on stream, he learns something new, whether it's trading or politics or geography. I'm just a wealth of knowledge.
Yeah.
fashion sense.
I was telling Evan, I was watching a video about Thomas Paine and then who that was and why he was so influential. And he was this Quaker British guy that I think ends up taking a lot of the credit for getting the public on board with the revolution and getting rid of the British. Because, up until then, I think most people don't understand, like, we were occupied by the British. Like, it'd be like if China invaded America and put boots on the ground at every corner store. You know what I'm saying? That's what it would be like. So we were trying to make peace with them, but they were here. We were killing them. It didn't make any sense. And then this guy wrote this pamphlet. It was 75 pages, and it won everybody over to the point where I told Evan, they say there was 2.5 million people total in all of the colonies, and they think this thing sold 500,000 fucking copies to a illiterate 2.5 million population, which is insane.
Yeah.
And Washington was even using it to motivate the troops. So it was very interesting from an entrepreneur's perspective to think about the ideas of the revolution. This idea that was so popular clearly was not first thought of by Thomas Paine, but he had the balls to write it down and put his name in the pamphlet and say, we don't need the British. It could be better without them. You know what I mean? Monarchy is stupid. He said these things that I bet you clearly a lot of people felt. So it's very interesting when you study the history of like people that truly disrupted. And then you know how he died? Alone and broke with 7 people at his funeral. And then look at what the credit we give to him. I said to Evan, it's pretty interesting. So sometimes you could do some of the most important things, but it takes a long time to get the credit for it.
Well, he's smiling in his grave right now, listening to you talk about this. Like, no joke. Like,
It's true, but it's
one person takes something away from something. I believe that you did your job, right? So
I think so. And I think that people don't understand the history of how, and that's why America's so badass, because it was so unlikely to become what it became. You know what I mean? It really was. There were natives here, had to fight them, had to fight the British, like against all odds. And then it created this thing called American spirit, American ingenuity. You know what I mean? It's very interesting how deep that goes culturally, because we're really British, technically, like in some sense, like a lot of the people that came to America were from Britain and Ireland and Italian, you know what I mean? So it's interesting just to see how it's all progressed, but how they developed their own American culture. Because there's
interesting because it's the same thing here, but we kept the Brit, like,
you kept their culture.
yeah.
You have Quebec where you still speak French. You kept the culture. Even we kept New Orleans. That was about it. They get the name. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's it. So New England, New York, New Jersey, we're better. America. That's what we do. Bigger, newer, better. America. You have a country, you have York, we have New York. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what we do. Bang. Bigger, extra large. You have extra large, we go XXXL. You know what I'm saying? That's what we invented. For sure. This is my favorite song.
I don't know. Is there a more aggressive one than this? Right? There's a more heavy metal
the Metallica one. Yeah, I don't like the Metallica one.
It's too
That
hard.
one's heavy.
Chasing Trades on YouTube is asking, what is the name from the website with all the data? Are you talking about TradingView?
Probably Bookmap. Bookmap
yes.
level on the left. The rainbow.
Rainbow's Bookmap. They're having a massive sale right now for the 4th of July. These guys don't ever really have sales.
No.
Maybe twice a year. So
Right.
if it's something you're interested in, definitely check it out. But then on the other side, on the right side, he's using TradingView. That's the trading software we use for all our basically analysis and then execution. But that's where this new trade copier coming in is going to be really helpful because you can see everything now on TradingView, but we're going to be copying trades in the background to multiple prop accounts and, hopefully be able to scale in that size in that way.
So maybe a double break long ends up coming in here to kick this back up for me now that it broke low, which is really what you'd want with Bookmap looking like this. You'd want it to break low first to then come higher. We got a double break last bank holiday. It broke low and then went high. It was Juneteenth. I remember it I have the markup. It was clear.
Yeah, you're close to the overnight VWAP. NQ has no breaks yet. It's just floating up here in the middle of its range. Towards the bottom. It's under VWAP as well. And YM, same thing.
And then NQ's got a big block of orders up at 30,000, which kind of line us up with the orders on Bookmap on ES.
Say no opening range, gaps, etc. Some people are saying edge pull, but we never mentioned that, so I don't know where that's coming from. Don't know.
Bookmap is platform based. It's browser based. It does not work on a platform. So we have them up 2 windows side by side.
Yep.
Options are closed today. Small.
Yeah, unfortunately.
And futures closes at 1 o'clock, so shortened day. So after stream here, no one's trading.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you have an illness. It's 4th of July. I feel like for the regular folk, is 4th of July on a Saturday good, or would they rather that be on a Friday so they get off?
Probably a Friday, but still they'll take a Saturday. It's going to just
have
be
that day off anyways, you know what I mean?
4th of July on a Monday or a Sunday is going to be ass. That's for sure.
Do everybody get like a paid day off
in
the US? Like if you're like a government,
this is a big deal, Randy. This is a huge, especially this year. It's 250. This is a huge deal.
Yeah,
this is Christmas. If any way you like America, this is Christmas, bro. 100%. It's only Randy. You hang out with a bunch of dumb libs. That's why you don't understand how important this is. The dumb libs.
With you, I hang out with you every fucking day. So don't call yourself
well, that's
a
good.
dumb
Never
lib.
mind. Listen,
take that back.
Listen, I take it back. All right. They don't like this holiday, bro, which is insane because, like, again, if you watch just Mel Gibson, bro, he'll teach you a lot about American history in that movie. Go watch that. How do you hate America after you watch The Patriot? If I wasn't American, I'd be afraid of America after watching that movie to that extent. You know what I'm saying? So
we had our Independence Day on Wednesday and we went to the fair. It was fun.
Yeah, but you're not like really independent.
No. Well, I am.
Well, you are.
I'm very independent, bro.
I'll tell you down.
You're a sovereign citizen.
Dion on YouTube is saying, have you ever tested a VWAP anchor to New York Midnight Open? I think you're just saying Midnight Open, the changeover of day, midnight. Not even changeover of day, just like midnight. No, just a random ass time.
Yeah, it's a random time for sure.
So it's either at the changeover of day when it's the start of a new session, importance, or start of New York session, or London Open, but like just a midnight for us in New York. What happens at midnight that's relevant or important? So no, I haven't looked into it.
Right.
There's midnight price, but no, not a VWAP.
I was gonna say maybe Dion is confusing that or thinking that because midnight price is a term that we can anchor a VWAP to it. You can anchor a VWAP to anything you want. Whether there's any relevance to it or not is a different story.
Exactly. But NQ sideways here. No breaks to the opening range yet. See if we get some juice back higher at 10 o'clock. Still longs or nothing. Even on ES below it's New York. It's just like trying to find that higher low down there to push back up towards the highs.
Are you, Austin, doing at your house 4th of July tomorrow?
Oh,
Everybody
yeah.
coming over there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You guys gonna deep fry turkey?
No, what the fuck, bro? No.
Is that not a thing? And like, don't
Right.
people deep
That's
fry
for
turkeys in
fucking
Pennsylvania?
Thanksgiving, bro. This is hot dogs and hamburgers. Glizzy's
Oh.
only, bro. Yes.
See, that's America for
barbecues,
you.
picnic,
That's America
bro.
for you. They tell you have to have hot dogs and hamburgers on the 4th of July. If I
Well,
want a
you want
turkey,
to.
That they
you can't
tell
have a
you it's
turkey.
what we do
want
for
to.
tradition.
You put out
Hot
no
dogs and
turkey,
hamburgers.
right off.
Are you telling me? Are you telling me a glizzy's a tradition going back 250
Yes.
Yeah.
years?
Yes.
Yes. That's what Thomas Paine said.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that.
Glizzies for all.
You guys,
And I'm just trying to make them proud. Trying to make them
Right.
remember.
and the
You're
British
gonna
were
get
like,
chewed
"No,
up
you
in the
can't
chat,
have,
Randy. You
can't-
gotta relax. You can't be talking about no fried turkey on 4th of July, boy. Come on. No.
And then
Listen.
once it's late, we put out milk and cookies just for fun.
See, you
Right.
truly aren't. You guys truly are not independent. I gotta say that. If you can't
Randy,
talk about
if
a
you've
fried
never
turkey
seen
on
the
4th of July-
Sandlot, that's what we're going for, bro. We're going for
Yeah.
Sandlot 4th of July. A little baseball, a little glizzy, a little Kool-Aid out the jug. You know what I'm saying, bro? Real American summer shit,
little big
bro.
leagues playing in the background.
Whatever, dude. Chat.
Fried
Some of the-
turkey is
Chat. The Canadian mind cannot comprehend the traditional American summer. The freedom that comes with that, he can't even imagine. Being able to stuff your face with as many fucking glizzies as you want. The Canadian mind cannot wrap its head around this.
Do you even know Joey Chestnut?
No,
Oh,
dude.
of course, I know who Joey.
I got
is.
Joey
don't
Chestnut's
know.
autograph in my bathroom, bro.
Bro, I love a glizzy. It's not what I'm saying. I'm saying have a glizzy. Before I deep fry the turkey, I'm gonna throw some glizzies in the deep fryer and have those first.
Yo,
That's what I'm
I've seen a
talking
video,
about.
bro, of a dad picking up pizza with his son, and he's like, "Son, your mother doesn't know this, and she never can." And it's like him getting 2 pizzas, and he like tells the kid that they eat the 1 pizza on the car ride home. I'm like, dude, you're eating a whole pizza on the car ride home? That's crazy.
Yeah.
But I could take a glizzy down while I'm frying the turkey, Randy, for sure.
Yeah,
I get
That's
that.
what I mean. Like it's a snack.
Need a snack, yeah. John's asking if we do discounts on the Black Shirt Club. No, John, it's just $500 a month. We just don't do that. It's already cheap as it is, you know.
The value is there, so no.
Yeah, so Riley does the sides. Kenny will come over and he'll do the meat. You know what I'm saying? I do the drinks. We'll chill out. We're gonna make some slushies. I got actually a bunch of kids coming over too, so it'll be good. Get the bounce house going. I wanted to do like the water balloons, the sack races, the egg toss, all that. But Riley shut it down because of how hot it's going to be. So she wants everybody inside. So we're all
Gonna
inside.
cool down a little bit, or is
No.
today another 100?
Today's actually, for me, today is the hottest day. So today and then tomorrow's still pretty bad. Sunday it rains, and then we're back in the 80s next week. We're good.
Yeah.
But dude, there's something about like a nice Hebrew National on a potato hot dog bun, ketchup, mustard, a little relish, I'll do a little chopped onion, but I'm not doing the whole chili cheese. I don't do hot dogs like that. Like in
That's
America,
heavy.
Randy, if we're talking glizzy couture, glizzy culture here, there's definitely fat, dirty Americans. Sorry, it's just the truth, that are eating a hot dog with nacho cheese and chili on it. I'm not doing that ever.
Yeah.
I'm also not eating a Slim Jim or a hot dog with a Slim Jim in it or anything in the hot dog. If
I haven't
anything's
seen
in,
that one yet. I haven't seen a hot dog
anything
with a
is,
Slim
if the
Jim
hot
in it.
dog is cored out, it's way too much for me. I'm not doing that. So I have standards to where I stop participating in glizzy culture. I don't do sauerkraut. You know what I'm saying, bro? I'm just a ketchup, mustard, relish. Like, keep it simple.
A little bit of raw onion.
They do
little bit of
potatoes. I've seen dudes on TikTok are doing cheese, hot onions, chili, and potatoes on the hot dog. What are we doing?
No.
That's not a
No,
hot
no,
dog. That's a bowl from Chipotle. You know what
Mustard,
I'm saying?
bro, mustard, relish, a little bit of raw white onion with some chopped pickled jalapeno.
I'll do that.
Done.
Easy,
Done.
easy.
Just a little crunch
the
in it,
topping
boom.
can't be moist. Rule number 1 on a hot
No.
dog: topping cannot be moist.
You want it
Other
for
than the
crunch.
ketchup or the, and I wouldn't say ketchup is moist. It's just a lick. It's like a, you know what I'm saying? It can't be like dripping soft potatoes. Like I'm not putting that on a hot dog. Sorry if that offends in the chat. I know. You know what I will do? I'll do a mean sausage and peppers on a roll. That could be a little dripping. I'll eat that. Yeah, it's just different though. sausage, peppers,
Get
and
those
onions.
at football games in high school. Like our snack bar had a nice, mean sausage and peppers.
Was it with the red sauce or just dry?
I think it was dry.
Because I'll do it both. Like if you do it the Italian way, where you make the sausage and the peppers
No,
and
it
the red
wasn't
sauce,
sausage.
I'll do that. That's like the OG shit for me. But still, the raw, just sausage on the grill with the peppers and the
Yeah,
onions.
you got
I'll
a
do that.
football game. Keep it clean.
Yeah, that's probably right.
It's cold out.
It's hard to find good Italian sausage and peppers too. Like being fair, because you need good red sauce, and good red sauce is hard to really get that.
Funny,
Everybody's
some people in
taste
the
buds.
chat didn't know what a glizzy was. They're like, "What the fuck are they saying?"
Callan.
Hot
I think
dogs.
Callan's in the UK.
Hot dogs. Yeah, I mean, it is, Randy. I mean, baseball is a big deal too in America. So when you think of 4th of July, it's our oldest sport, really. That goes back to like America's pastime. It used to be
America's
called.
pastime.
Yeah, yep. So baseball and hot dogs, it's peanuts, Randy. It's a culture thing for us, dude. It is.
A flyover.
Now, thank God the culture has advanced because now I can pay a little bit more money. I can sit in a seat at the game that has a TV, so I can watch golf or football while I'm at a baseball game, sitting in the sun, having a hot dog and a beer. That's peak American. Like the only thing next to it, as far as like peak American shit, would be like riding a great white shark.
Or like on the back of a grizzly bear.
Yeah, right. Eating a glizzy on a grizzly.
Putting your arm out and just having an eagle swarm to you. Be like,
Right. While eating a glizzy on a grizzly.
yep.
With a
I
salad.
got long with you here, Austin. Break of the New York.
I mean, we might get it. Look at the book map. If we get a double break long, you're not going to be like, what the fuck just happened? It's going to be like, oh, look at the book map. It's got a ton of orders above. That's why we're trying to get everybody on this book map sale. It really fucking helps. It's sad. It does live in my head a little bit that if that's true, that Rips was saying the way we use book map is wrong. I'm like, but it's working. I'm like, everybody, I think that's something I'm good at. I think, tell me if I'm wrong, boys. We all let comments from other people live in our head rent-free. It's just a matter of how long do you let it live there for. You know what I'm saying? And I have the superpower of forgetting very quickly, most of the time.
Did they call that not giving a fuck?
Ask my wife. I don't give a... Right, exactly. You're not listening. No, I am listening. I just don't give. You know what I'm saying? That's how it rolls.
Austin gets high as shit. Manny, you're good.
What's he saying?
Manny's like, AKA Austin gets high as shit.
What does that mean, Manny? You want to get reported again, bro? Manny, the fact that you'd even think I'd do drugs is an insult. I'm very upset.
You're very professional, Manny. Mr. Professional.
Manny, you better shut the fuck up and show up at the boot camp, bro. I swear to God.
Oh, I'm
Swear
supposed to
God,
meet up.
bro.
I'm meeting up
Don't
with them
you
today.
dare
Don't worry, I'll
pull
set
some
them
Indian
straight.
shit. Manny's gonna do the typical Indian move and hit me up the month before and go, but I want the early bird. And I'm gonna say, no early bird. You missed the early bird. He's gonna say, no, but you offered it before, so you should offer it now. He's gonna do the typical tough Indian negotiation. See, Randy's laughing because Randy knows this is how they go. I'm not gonna be fooled by that, though. It's just not gonna work on me. I'm Jewish. The Jew thing makes you impervious to the Middle Eastern and Asian negotiation style. You know what I'm saying? I overpower. Whites, like Americans, easily overpowered in negotiation by Middle Easterns and Asians because they just negotiate way harder than white people. White people are just too soft. But the Jew in me, that shoots me to the top of the trifecta of the hierarchy. Can't out-negotiate me.
I'm meeting him today. I wonder who's going to get the coffee, him or I. Who's paying the bill, you think? We should put
What'd
bets
you
on that.
What'd you
I'm
say?
meeting up with Manny today, so
No, you're not.
yeah, we got to catch up. I've been putting it off for a while, so
Oh, good. Well, he better buy. The amount of times that he causes a scene in my chat, he better buy to apologize for all the bullshit he causes.
They're going to have to
deal
do
with this.
50-50.
You just
They
better
gotta
don't
go
activate
50-50.
him. No, come on, don't activate him.
It should be a thank you for dealing with me for being a retard buy. You know what I'm saying?
On a side note, I ordered the coffee machine, same one you got. So
Good.
it's-
Zach has it. You have it. We all have the same machine. We need a damn sponsor. Somebody call Ninja, bro. Because I want
Yeah.
that fire pit they got. So it's about time. I need something for free from them.
I haven't seen the fire pit.
Oh, look that up. Ninja smokeless fire pit. Fire. Literally.
With the rings on the bottom, like circles.
Yeah, it's smokeless. So it's built
Yeah.
to like it's self-ventilating.
I got you.
What about
Yeah.
solo stove? Like that's like the
Yeah,
Yeah, I
but this
think
one's nicer. This one's got a knob. This electric, I'm pretty sure. Solar stove is not
Mhm.
electric.
Well, yeah, most electrics aren't smoky, anyways.
No, but this one makes a real fire. I think that's why.
That's good.
Just look it up. It's nice.
Mike, would I agree that on
Yeah,
NQ we could see it go
that's
lower
good.
as we're. So Mike's asking, since we're overextended from the overnight view up at NQ, could I see us going lower? Of course, I guess so. But just like being that a bank holiday, I don't know if we have the gas of enough sellers to move us down to that view up that I would normally be looking for, right? Just lack of sellers, not a lot of buyers. It's slow today. So this might just keep grinding higher. It could move a little bit lower, but I'm not looking for like that normal full retest and let's trend into the afternoon. You know, we got 3 hours left until the market closes. So not really expecting a whole lot. That makes sense?
Even I was going to add to that, like 60 to 90 minutes after the open, the market dries up for that last little bit too. Like the candles print like 1 point candles. It's you'll see. Just once you watch it once, you'll understand that when we're done stream, we're here to hang out, do a giveaway. It's Friday morning. We're on stream every morning, so it's like, why not just come and hang out and see if we can find something? But you won't catch us trading after we get off stream.
It's a good question, Mike. My third, if people filling out the form, giveaway form, you want to send it again, Austin? We only got 40 people on the AceFX TV giveaway. You got lower numbers on the bank holiday. That's insane stats. You guys got a great chance of winning. Anyone that's watching on X or YouTube, like we've said, the giveaway is for our members only, so you could join us still today, but more likely next week. First month free if you go to any of our bios and click AceFX TV. Do giveaways. You can watch Futures 2.0 over the weekend and study up. But anyone that's on AceFX TV right now, you got giveaways looking good. Running now, that no final calls. Yeah, it's a 40-person race.
JJ on YouTube was like, only liberal Canadians, sorry, and BC is liberal. I live in BC, and yes, it is liberal, and I won't be living here for long, so I'm moving to Mexico in a few months.
My brother moved to a town near where I grew up in that was very known to be liberal, and he's saying he's starting to see it, like it's around him, like at the shops and the people and the neighbors and stuff. I'm like, yeah, I don't know what you expected. Just gotta hide from it.
It's crazy as we sell, like we get rid of more stuff and you meet more people and talk to them. They're like, oh, well, I used to blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, I'm moving to Mexico. It blows my mind. I want to say 80 to 90% of the people I've talked to are like, they wish they could move to. And it just, you don't realize how many people are not happy until you actually start, because nobody talks about it. And then once you start talking about it, you start to see it. And it's like, and then you get people here that have great jobs, but they're stuck here. And they're like, I wish I could move. And then you get people that are like, we're working towards moving away too. Like, we just want to get out of here. And I was just like,
yeah, I believe that.
That, it just reinforces the reason, we are leaving for our own personal family reasons, right? Just to like have a better life for our family. So it's cool.
Guys, I'm putting the giveaway link in the chat. Okay. So we got the bookmap link at the bottom of the screen. Top of the screen. We got the giveaway link in the ASFX TV chat.
Can we buy stock in Ninja? Who owns Ninja? They're always innovating, bro. I seen an air filter at Costco the other day from Ninja, and the thing looks crazy, like an air purifier for your room.
Yeah.
Ninja and something else, right? Ninja and Shark, is that the same
Shark
thing?
and company.
In San Fran, Sean? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so Shark Ninja is the name of the company.
Yeah.
Last call for the giveaway, though.
Okay. I just remember in the F1 movie, that was the logo on their helmet. Shark and Ninja.
That's funny. You'd think it would be founded by some Asians. It's actually founded by a Jew. Mark Rosenweig. Yeah. Well, not Shark Ninja, I wouldn't think, but
We got it from mergers and acquisitions. People in New York were told to like keep their apartments at 78 degrees with this heat wave.
Yep.
78?
Yep.
What the hell?
Yep. Bro, you know what my shit's been cranking on? I got my whole house is at 70 and I have a huge house. So it's like for them to say 78 is insane, bro.
That's insane. It was
And you're
funny,
paying the bill. No. Just do it to be a good friend, bro. We lost good friendly America in the 80s. No one treats their friends like that anymore. We're all looking out for our own. Maybe one extension further away from yourself, but that's it. America don't lend eggs to the neighbor anymore as much as they used to. So to say turn your ace, sweat your balls off so your neighbor sweats less, fuck you is what New Yorkers are going to say. Fuck you.
Yeah.
And honestly, it opens the door for somebody to come in and kick him out so easy. Hey, remember when we had the worst heat wave in New York's history in your lifetime? And he said turn the AC up, put it at 78. We'll never tell you that because we'll actually fix the grid. Easy way for someone to come in and fucking, it's crazy. I had to get the giveaway ready. I gave him the last call.
Yeah,
last call.
there was only like 50 people, so I'm seeing new names.
Michelle, you're absolutely right. Michelle said, guaranteed KV's not putting his AC at 78.
Oh my God,
I will call KV right now and guarantee you he is
not a chance.
For a hoodie.
He probably said it. He's probably freezing his balls off.
He's at 68, guaranteed.
I'm gonna put it on 60.
Yeah, he probably had it on 68 the week before just to cool the house down, getting ready for the heat wave.
Yeah. It was when I think Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift got married at Madison Square Garden yesterday. Someone was
that was yesterday?
You're telling that that building better be set at 78.
That was yesterday? I didn't even know that.
I think so.
I just saw that. I didn't even know they got married.
Yeah. They're like, it better be 78 degrees in there. I'm doing my part.
I don't want to have an opinion on that, but my opinion is, like, if you're rich, do whatever you want. My opinion is too many people that should be busy have opinions on them getting married and renting out Madison Square Garden, this and that. I'm like, just be busier. Like, you shouldn't care. They're them. You be you. We're all different. You know what I'm saying? Like, can we get agreement on that? Like, it's just, don't waste your time thinking about Travis Kelce, Taylor Swift getting married, everybody. What are we talking about? You know what I'm saying?
Nope.
I agree. We got better things to do. We should be investing in the Shark Ninja stock. $150 today. It was literally, you could have bought it for $20 a few years ago. And it's just been straight up.
Yeah, now we got the creamy,
Shark Ninja.
the creamy, the slushy, vacuums.
I got the slushy.
I got it all.
IPO'd in August of 23 for $55. Then it dropped down to literally 25 once it broke back above its IPO VWAP. It's been above it the whole time. From 31 to 151 today. It's a good hold.
This looks just like a bank holiday. Thank you hasn't even broken its opening range, let alone a double break. Villa, no NQ book map. It's on sale, so if you want to view an NQ book map, you can do it for super cheap.
I do have NQ bookmap on the side screen, but I'm just going to keep that a secret, like Evan said.
Yeah, you don't need a glimpse. You're all right. Read price action. It's a bank holiday. NQ has moved literally sideways for 40 minutes. What is bookmap going to miraculously tell you where we're going?
What's the VWAP?
It says, watch the range. I didn't say it. He did. It's a good one.
I got my stop below overnight VWAP often, so I got 8 points on my stop.
Okay.
There's a lot of room. Buyers, it's long or nothing.
I'm posting a new video on my YouTube channel as we speak, boys. A lot of questions about bookmap and stuff, so I'm just getting this up because I was sitting on it. I'm getting it up right now for everybody.
And last call for the giveaway. I'll put the giveaway link in there again.
Yep. Work on like the shorts.
Work on.
Got to break
Get
on
out of
NQ. There's the NQ break.
It just wicked it, I think.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
All right, I'll put the link for the YouTube video in the chat as well. Got a bunch of stuff up there for you guys to go through this weekend.
Austin, is your stop really at 43.25? Sean
Yeah.
Overman's asking.
Yep. Why? Too far, Sean? You scared? It's 10 points.
Is it really there? Be honest.
It is there, Sean. I'm just giving it time. Like, it's a bank holiday. I don't expect it to sell off. I got time to still sit in it. Like, we're not ending the stream. I'm not doing anything else. So I'm just sitting in it. Bookmap's telling me it's going higher. So I'm not going to time the market. I'm just going to let the thing do its thing.
That's exactly what we did last bank holiday too. We just sat in it and then it just grinded. Then you got a nice little pop. We got out of the trade on the pop and we're done. So
yep, I got the TP in at opening range high too, in case it does the same kind of double break it did last bank holiday.
So I got a break on NQ. See if we could double break over there as well.
Did that break the downside first?
It's holding on it right now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Still clear higher lows from the pre-market.
that's exactly what I was going to say next, Evan, is those higher lows. Like how much more room.
You read my mind.
I am a mind reader.
Ricardo, trade break closed my long on its own. Well, you probably blew the account, my friend.
Yeah, that usually only happens if you break a rule.
I don't think they're going to just close it randomly. So max loss was hit. The account was blown. If you had trailing drawdown, like not intraday, just in general. So something's up. Holy negative risk reward.
I got nothing on financial juice right
Use HGTV says can't enter the giveaway link. That's because you got to be signed up for Apex TV and you're watching on YouTube right now. So only for our members. That's why. But Nick's
Link in my bio.
Time to eat. What's up, Nick?
What's up,
Nick
Nick?
could enter the giveaway. I'll put your name on it, Nick. Don't worry about it.
What's happening, Nick?
I'll give you a TOF account. Starting to pour right now. God damn. It'll clear up.
Crazy to see oil sitting comfortably at 68. You know, it's awesome. Yeah, so
prices are still jacked right up here.
with us sitting in this trade, I just want to remind everybody, I have both days of the boot camp posted for you guys to study this weekend and enjoy. So day 2 is now live. This also will link you to the boot camp tickets. Those are on sale now. We're already moving some of them. They are going to sell out. So if you can check ahead in your calendar and make sure, then you might want to lock your ticket in as well if you plan on joining us. So all the sessions are posted. Everything's up there now for you guys. Tickets are available. The early bird discount is applied automatically. So you can come to the website, buy the ticket. And then when you go to checkout, you'll see the ticket has 2 add-ons for you. The VIP seat, we still have a couple of those available. And then the VIP dinner as well, if you want to add those on. But this is the cheapest the ticket's going to be. Ticket prices will go up at the turn of the year or once we sell 50. If we get to 50, I'm raising the price as well. So that's on YouTube here. And then if you go to this playlist here on my YouTube channel, you can see all the videos from last year. Brian, Chris, me, KV, the live trade, it's all broken up for you guys here. I'll put this link in the chat while Evan's getting the giveaway thing ready.
James B, it looks like price was holding below VWAP overnight. Why did you choose long? What VWAP are you looking at? We're above the overnight VWAP
Yeah,
the whole
that's
night.
incorrect.
Unless you're looking at YM. But
Double break, double break, double break, Randy. Double break. Play the double break song. A break back.
All right, copying the list.
Here we go.
Like he said to do. 1 minute candle closed, and I knew it was true. I pulled the trigger clean, didn't flinch, didn't stray. A double break set up, paid again today. The double break is back, back. Oh, said the double break is back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Shot Austin do it. The double break is back.
Slabs. Yep. Let's see if we get a pop here. If we can get to 59, everybody, get a nice little double break here, go into the bank holiday, enjoy ourselves. Anything, 57, 58, anything. It's a small range. So if we can get anything out of this, we'll take it. Okay. But we're in play now. We don't want to get out of it yet. This is now developing into a perfect double break. So higher lows in play, anywhere up, like I said, 57, 58, 59 to be a great little soft target for us. Orders up above at 70, orders up above at 75. That's above the opening range high. It's way above if it wants to move that high. More intermediary, you can see there's 63 contracts sitting on 75.60. We're at 75.53. So hopefully those 60 contracts will be the heavier block that want to get filled, and those will pull us higher here. Whenever you're ready, Ev, we can do the giveaway to get that done too.
Mm-hmm.
Ed, when are we going to get the horse races and the motorcycles? Come on.
Can't
Do I got to
afford it.
Venmo you something? How do I got to do this?
It's complicated. I got 2 subscriptions. But yeah, Zach did send it to me. Look into it. All right, so I put us on the list.
Yes, of course.
Put
You should put us
America-
individually on the list today because there's only 40 people in the on.
We got 110. So let's just call it a 1% chance of winning. Not bad though. Been worse.
Nick.
All right. We ready, boys?
Yes.
Anthony Beaver, you just filled it out right now. Too little, too late. Already set it up. So let's run it, chat. Good luck. 110 people. Giving away top on futures. What'd you land on? What do you want to do?
Awesome.
Running a big sale right now on the Ignite accounts. Any purchase you guys make with code Evan between now and Monday with top on futures gets you entered into the giveaway that I'm running. So plenty of options. Oh, we're in the front row right there. I don't know if I like that. But let's rip it.
Yeah, Steph, I'm never going to do that. Never going to do it virtual. It would be a totally different thing. You'll have to come in person.
Oh. Nick coming out of the back.
Number 2.
Let's see.
The number 2.
Oh, Grant coming
George
out.
Washington.
Oh, Ruan.
George Wash.
Ruan just joined us. Come on now, Ruan. Let's
George
fucking
Washington.
go.
Look at that.
go.
Ruan, look at you.
Just joined the BSC and now he's winning duck races. Like
That's awesome.
That's what happens. You join the BSC, you win a fucking duck race.
Your luck
man.
starts
You
to
just-
turn. Doug Shrimp Dick. Yo. Nice, dude. Doug, good
I think
try,
the
buddy.
duck race blurted out. I can
Michelle,
do
too.
that.
Look, Michelle, she was the first one to buy a ticket for the boot camp. Michelle's up there. Nice. All right, one more.
All right.
And he's got the 4th of July. He's got the George Washington wig. You're right.
Yeah.
Good call, Sean. Yeah, so again, this is Ignite accounts from Top One Futures. Everybody, they're on sale right now, 50% off. We'd love for you guys to go try those. Top1futures.com.
Gerard? J-A-Rod?
I think it's Gerard.
Gerard.
J-A-Rod.
Peter and
Oh, Peter.
John.
Doesn't matter because
Out of
he's a fucking loser. Peter's the winner. Suck it, J.A.Rod. Just kidding. June, you suck too. David, we all suck. Peter is the only winner. Peter is the best out of all of us. Congrats,
Ricky
buddy.
Balbe.
Ricky Balby, good
Congrats.
job. If you ain't first, you're last.
Congrats.
Ruan and Peter. I'm not going to try to say Peter's last name out of pure
Safety.
safety for myself.
Done
and for
ya.
the- No, just stop, dude.
Nagana.
looked like-
Nagana. Bam. Got it.
Bang.
All right. Good. Happy to do that, everybody. More giveaways next week. Just don't be late. Be here on Monday. I'm going to sling giveaways next week. We got a green light from Top One Futures. We also had a really good meeting with Alpha Futures yesterday. We're going to be doing some stuff with them starting in 2 or 3 weeks. So July is going to be a big month. We got the trade copier deal coming out. We got this big book map thing we're working on. Big book map sale right now. We're going to introduce Alpha. Hola Prime is about to get wealth charts. Top One Futures is about to drop a new dashboard. There's so many good things coming. And we're going to keep you posted every day with all the stuff here on ASFX TV. My trade looks good, Ev. You can put me back up, buddy.
Ev, you're awesome. I like how you had to make a point of
It's just
showing.
people are retarded. Where is it? Yeah, I really wanted to not win. So I just remove your name. Petrus, have a good weekend. Austin, where'd you take profit ads? On the screen.
59. Opening range high. Study the double break, whoever asked me that question.
Or look at the screen on the live stream.
No, that's taking signals from me. You should study it and do it yourself.
Well, yes, but you should know where it is based off of the visual of what you're looking at.
McPlatinum on YouTube is asking why the PA is so bad today. It's a bank holiday, my friend.
That's
My
crazy.
friend, come. I tell you, it's American bank holiday. Americans very lazy. Need bank holiday for Independence Day.
Important
The
hours.
most important day of the year. We wouldn't even be America if it wasn't for this holiday. Fuck Easter. Fuck the Tooth Fairy. Fuck them all. This is
Whoa.
more important. I should have
Little
worn my
volume.
army. I should have worn an army costume with a gun. Let me go get my gun. That'll be American. I should have come on stream with my gun on my hip. That's what I
Sure
should have
would.
done today.
Sure would.
Proud to be an American, where at least I know. You know what I'm saying, dude? Bang
Mhm.
with the gun. Bang,
One
bang.
more time. One more time. I didn't get it. One more time, please.
What, the bang, bang?
No, the song.
Bang, bang.
Sing.
I'll sing to you later, buddy. I'm going to be singing that song all weekend.
Grant was asking what data I add onto the bookmap. So we run the bookmap data feed. It gives you access to some of their exclusive.
BMDF, dude.
Yeah.
BMDF. What are you laughing at?
Why you gotta say it like that? Because it just sounds.
What does
like-
that make it sound like? Something
I don't
sexual?
know.
It's just, it's not my
Maybe it's
fault.
just like
You
fuck,
have a
maybe. It's my fault.
you
Maybe it's
dirty
just me.
mind, dude.
Leave
We're
me out
lucky
of it.
Bookmap even lets us promote this discount code with your dirty mouth and your dirty mind, dude. I'm surprised they want to be associated with us.
They love me, bro. They love the gray
$60
hair.
to
They
the
love
point
the
where they give
Indian
it to
in
us
me.
for 60 bones.
You know when they met me, they're like, he's Indian and he speaks English. Oh,
Oh
my
my
god, that's like a
God.
jackpot. Boom,
We've
Done.
never seen this before.
done, sold.
Who will have the endurance to stay in this till the opening range high? That's the question. I'm
Yeah,
sure
Grant, Austin and I just have the CME bundle.
Yeah. Oh, Evan with the whole of Prime video on Insta. Nice. Yeah, I'm excited to try wealth charts with them. I'm hoping that it's supposed to come this week, according to Rob, who owns wealth charts. I saw it. It's already on the back end of wealth charts, but it's not on the front end of whole of Prime yet. I wonder why.
I think I'm gonna get. Might try a alpha. You can do wealth charts through alpha too. So
Yep.
I might
Alpha
get.
has
I got,
all the platforms. They have trade
Yeah, the
debate
one-
charts, wealth charts, alpha charts. They have all the charts, dude.
so the one I got is I'm trading it on alpha charts just because I always love to see the new what the new stuff is out there, especially what the firms are offering. So so far so good.
Yeah.
I've only took one trade on it, so I'll have more feedback as I start to trade it more. But I'm interested in looking at, because I think I was telling you I did the beta for wealth charts and it was not my favorite. But
No, I'm excited. I mean, with the copier that we're going to be onboarding, we need trade evade accounts or certain accounts that they offer. But then you can copy trade within wealth charts across other wealth charts. There could be multiple copier things going on at the same time here. The thing that I would just say is like with alpha, like don't spend too much yet. You know what I mean? I would think like you can very quickly overburden yourself. But I think that's where the copier mixed with us trying new firms comes into play. Because like right now I'm in this on my top one futures live account on screen, but on my other screen I can see I'm also copy trading this to two accounts, an alpha and a lucid, and I can see it. I'm not showing it on screen yet, everybody, because I want to test this before I promote it to you guys. I know some people have had issues with this one in the past, so we're going to test. But I feel like with the copy trading, it's going to be very interesting to see how this goes.
And I will preface to any copy trading, I don't care which copy trader you are using, you should be going into your accounts after the fact and looking and making sure everything is flattened.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, we can blame all these other issues, but you at the end of the day are in control of that. So it's just as easy to go into Trade Evade and flatten all. Even in Trade Evade's copier,
Yeah.
There was issues in the beginning with orders being left open and whatnot, like limit orders.
We're trying to avoid all the issues. We're trying to get we got a deal from a trade copier, a third-party copier. We got a 30% discount coming for you guys and a custom landing page that'll get you guys set up. So we're going to promote that once that's ready. And that should be in the next week or so. So copy trade, multiple brokers, multiple props, all of it. And I mean, you guys know we talked about this a lot, but I don't want to repeat it, but it was not about the deal. We took the smaller financial agreement to work with the bigger company, hoping that this would avoid any issues. The only thing about this copier is I just want to not promote one that will have issues because it could cost people more money, and that's against what we're trying to do. So that was our focus with this deal.
No, I think we're just trying to find the best, there's boxes that we have to check off. What can we offer everybody? What's a good copier? What's easy to use? What's got a good interface?
Yep.
Multiple
what team is
things.
actually trying to innovate? That's important. Not just partnering with the legacy firm, partnering with a firm that's innovating and trying to be better, listening to feedback. That's important. Like yesterday, that guy, Billy, we talked to from Alpha, he was super cool. He was like, whatever you guys need, I want to help you guys do your job and get Alpha out, as best we can. The discount code is active already. We already got 3 or 4 conversions, which I said to him, I'm like, well, that just shows you guys should have been paying me a while ago because someone's been using my code. So if anyone's buying an Alpha Futures account with my code, thanks. But yeah, that'll be good. And then today we're talking to, I can't remember after stream. I can't remember the name of the firm. There's so many firms. Got to do the vetting, got to do the research. Are either of you in this trade as well? Randy, you are, right?
I'm in this long with you.
Thank you. Trying to take it to New York. It hasn't yet.
Did you see what Sean said? When you press manual lockout on some of these copiers, it flattens it all?
Yes. Yes. But again, like I said, if you're trading funded accounts and you're treating your value your funded accounts, just go have a quick peek in the platforms.
Do I have a quick pee?
Peek, bro. Not pee on the platform. Come on now.
Are you watching the World Cup today, Randy, or what?
I am the World Cup. Look at me.
Australia versus Egypt. Argentina versus Cape Verde. And then tonight, the game of the week, Colombia versus Ghana. That's going to be so good, dude.
Can I take Cape Verde over Argentina? Is it allowed?
It's definitely allowed. Not recommended, definitely allowed.
Is that the double or nothing you guys want to do? Is that the
do you
double
really
or
know? Do you really know who Messi is, bro? Sit with that question for a while. Do you know this guy can come on with 20 minutes left and score 2 goals, and no one was surprised?
That reel I sent you last night of the crowd just erupting as soon as he just stands up off the bench.
It's crazy.
Sounds sus, bro. Sounds sus.
No, I think the first game today, the Argentina game is the boring game to watch. Argentina versus Cape Verde is going to be 4 or 5-0. Could be 4 or 5-0. But I think the first game and the second game, the Australia versus Egypt is supposed to be good, but Australia is scrappy. It could go either way. I bet you it's 1-1 and then goes to overtime. The other game would be a blowout, and then the Colombia versus Ghana tonight, bro, that's going to be 1-1 to overtime or 0-0 to overtime. It's going to be real tight. I don't see Colombia scoring 4 goals on them. They're really good. Ghana's really good. Ghana gave England a hard time. So, good games today. Good games all weekend. It's just amazing. Yet last night, I'm doing something, trying to watch the game in the living room because I was not in the basement where I should have been. And then Leo didn't want to share the TV with me. And I was like, no, it's fine. And then a few minutes later, his video ended. I was like, yeah, can we put the game on now? And then Riley said, can we put the game on? And Leo was like, no, or something like that. I'm still doing what I was doing on the floor. And I was like, no, it's fine. It's just not every 4 years or anything like that,
Fine.
You're not watching a YouTube video that you can watch on your iPad.
Cable bill. It's fine.
It's fine. Kid has an iPad, but takes over the TV. Make it make sense.
Yeah, go in the basement. We have 3. You could watch all.
I know, but I was brushing the cats. I'm not going to take the cats all the way down there to clean them. I'm just going to do it right in the living room.
One more time, say that again. You're brushing the cat.
Yeah, you don't clean the cat.
Fucking pussy. Oh
gives me shit for shedding a tear.
I said that,
a good song. And
you don't brush your cat. You let the cat shit on the toilet, but you don't brush the cat.
She does.
He doesn't brush the cat. His girl probably brushes the cat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Every day. Wipes his
Randy,
feet after he's done.
Can you imagine how nice your cat would feel? The fact that you let it outside, if you brushed it, it would probably actually love you for once.
Let it outside where? Outside?
He lets his cat outside.
It's an outdoor cat. She's a savage. She's a killer.
Thing's got fleas.
Please fuck off, man.
Comes back with a rabbit.
Please.
Put right guard on that thing.
No. She's got to, when she gets to the door, she's got to double check and make sure she's got no fleas before she's allowed in.
You make that cat take its shoes off before it comes in.
Once she gives me the thumbs up, I open the sliding door. But she's got to be like a little paw up in the air, and then she's in.
Let's see, I'm going to Brazil, Norway on Sunday. Nice.
Nice, dude.
Monday making Mace TV. No kidding.
I'm rooting for Norway.
Well,
in that. Fuck Brazil, bro. Sorry, they're just not the team that you want them to be dominant. When they're not dominant, I root for them to get upset.
Doug, nice.
Nice, Doug.
I'm taking.
Anybody else close to payout going into next week? Anybody close to payout?
No, I'm halfway there, so I don't consider that close.
Okay.
I want to be in the top third.
Bank holiday chat. Expectations should have been low.
I'm not getting off yet.
Cape Verde is plus 2,000.
I know, bro.
So I'm gonna take that bet.
In the round of 32.
Some experts are saying Argentina.
Hi, Randy. Plus 2,000. See, I'm putting you in timeout. I'm going to take plus 2,000. We need to help people, Randy. Plus 2,000. Jesus Christ.
What do you mean?
The only people that can pull off a plus 2,000. There's only one team in the world.
Canada.
The Knicks.
The Knicks. But can I just say to myself, like, if I bet $100, I could win 2,000? Like, look at that risk to reward. Like, let's talk RR.
Give me the money. Guys. I will literally eat it.
Burn it.
And that will be better use of the money than you putting it on that bet. I will eat the dollar bill. I will eat the $100 bill on a salad in small pieces. And that's more entertaining than you betting against Argentina.
I thought you already did that. You we brush away your mess with the $100 bill.
No, Evan, Jews don't eat money, you fucking racist shithead. God.
I thought that was like a thing they told you when you're a kid. Like, if you eat $1 bill, $1 bill every day, you'll be rich.
Come on, eat up, son. Eat up.
That's how the Jews stay on top of their shit. We're eating dollar bills. And the VWAP's aligned for the double break. You're still looking for the double break. Anthony, we explain this a lot. So the double break is separate from the VWAP alignment. The VWAP alignment is a discretionary add-on. The double break is just the double break. It's based on horizontal price levels. It's up to you if you want to take it with VWAP alignment or not. Some of us do, some of us don't. That's the discretionary edge of it.
Yeah, happened twice this week against the VWAPs, and it paid. And there'll be YouTube videos out on it.
I'm using a New York VWAP, previous day New York VWAP, and an overnight VWAP. All of that's automated with our VWAP indicator, the VTC indicator.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, Randy, did you see the new VTC promo?
I don't think so. I've never saw it until this morning. I saw it in the room.
Then how did he just say yes?
He's lying.
I saw it in the Discord, in the chat.
The video?
Well, in the...
There you go. It's a cool little.
I like the music.
Yeah, so with the bookmap sale going on today, everybody, it's important to point out that how did we know it was going to move higher today? It was literally just driven by bookmap. All morning, bookmap has had orders above more than below. If you zoom out, here's 8 o'clock this morning, nothing underneath. It's all been above, as you can see. And I'll stretch this out just so you can see it even clearer. I'm up $125 just on this position. We're going to take a payout as soon as we close this trade, but just look at it, right? How does bookmap tell me where to trade? Look at the bottom. This is 9:30. This is 10 o'clock. At 9:30 this morning, there was a little bit of orders down here, but a lot of orders up here. So that made me long biased. And as that's developed, we've had more orders come on and get filled as we're getting closer and closer. And those orders have stayed heavy. You can see it on the COB. 170, 117, 105. It's heavier above than below. So this is a kind of day on a bank holiday where it's like, how much time do you want to be in this? We're up in profit now. You know what I mean? It's always just a matter of time now.
We're above that overnight VWAP the whole time, like buyers. So you're going to look at the orders above us versus if there's anything below. Like, you want to see in context where we are in relation to buyers and sellers.
So I'm out and it exited on my copier and everything, and it worked perfectly.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Yeah,
No
NQ's
issue.
really struggling. Below it's New York, holding the open range low. So
You
good
can even
exit
see the
there,
time it
time-wise.
executed too. So you can see the time of it executing. So it doesn't show any lag there. I'll flatten all, like you guys were saying, to just flatten it all. So now let's finish this nicely here, everybody. Up 503 on this TOF live account. We'll take that as a payout.
It's a lot of glizzies this weekend.
It's a lot of glizzies this weekend. That's the first payout of July. So
There you go.
now that I'm out, though, I bet
Take
you it'll be higher
250
here.
out. Don't take it all out. Take 250 for America.
No, taking it all.
50 times 2.
This happened last time too. You got
Not
out of
even
the
that
trade and it
much
went
money.
higher. This
Yeah, I
happens
mean,
every time you get out of the trade. and it
Target
goes
is
higher.
opening range high. So you just have to see, like, I'm just going to take this thing here and we're going to wrap the stream up because I'm going to go enjoy my holiday.
Yeah. Yep. I mean, normally this is Juneteenth and this was the only bank holiday we've streamed. Otherwise, I wouldn't even look to trade it. So definitely don't feel hard pressed to look for something, take something. If you got a little green, that's great. If you didn't, you got Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday next week.
So if you look at this, it's like, why did I get long where I did before the double break was in play? Well, because on Bookmap, there was just no orders below. Everything was above. So as it dipped on a bank holiday, I'm not expecting it to just sell off. So that's where I got in there. We break opening range low. That's now putting the double break in play. Then we break New York VWAP. Now the double break is definitely in play, trading back up to the high, coming up to these orders up here. 75.60 especially is that target. So it's good. So you get the double break today and fed by Bookmap. It's both of them together. Does everybody see that? That's how you can just have a lot of confidence that, like, even though it wasn't moving a lot, I just sat here, just left it alone. Didn't make a new low. I just left it alone.
I mean, if you
Yeah,
think
so-
about like that higher low that it built, could have scared you out of it. I'm saying, oh, this is coming lower. It failed to break above New York VWAP, but like structure never changed underneath you. Builds a higher low and then it comes back into profit.
And I basically
like
took the same trade, the same double break trade. I just waited for us to get back above the New York.
Yeah.
So I had
and then
the-
see it all the way through.
Right, broke the bottom of the opening range low. We break back above the New York. We set in that higher low like we talked about. We're above that overnight VWAP. We got orders above us on Bookmap. I got to take the trade. So
Is anyone still in this?
I'm still
Long.
sitting in mine.
Okay. I was out of 55. It's at 57 now. I think 60 is inevitable. 60s are lock. Now I'm just waiting for my top one dashboard to update, and I'm going to take the payout. It might take a few more minutes than what we feel like staying on stream, but I'll post about it, of course, on Instagram and everything, everybody. There you go. 3 more minutes, and this thing will reach its target.
I'm looking for opening range high, Michael. If I got, I got.
Yeah.
TP set
Get
up
out
at
at opening range
65.
high, please. You're here. One or two more points. Please just take the win. Do not let this thing come this high and come back down. It will come back down, I bet, everybody. So please take some off. I'm not telling you what to do, but please don't be in this if it comes back down. Jesus Christ. This is a beautiful double break on a bank holiday. It's so close to the target. Just take it.
I mean, the range is 7 points. What more are you going to look for? 2? You get 3 more points of a breakout?
Out. And then leave. Bye.
I want
Go tell your wife
3.5
you found a
more
trading
points.
room that actually makes you money. Go tell your friends you found a little Jew boy that helps you make money. Go do something like that. That's a better use of your time than sitting in this for another point or two. Take it. Go leave me a 5-star review if you haven't on Trustpilot. Help a brother out. But don't marry it. Don't be a dick for a tick now. You know what I'm saying? Take it. Happy Friday. Bank holiday. Crushed it. 2 bank holidays in a row. We still made money. Double break both days. Double break long. Go back to June 19th. It's the same setup as this. Double break. So now you got 3 double breaks this week, even with a short day today. And 2 of them were counter trend. This one's with the trend with the VWAP alignment. So that's why I'm in this one.
Yeah.
And now it's at target for sure. 59 was the target. 60 was the target. Those Bookmap orders. Good job, everybody. Good job.
Passion is real, gang. The passion is real.
Very good job. Glad
Yeah.
we came, right? We were going to say, we don't need to work today. Good. You made money. Boom. Look at her go. 61. There we go.
There you go.
Good job. I'm actually going to trail my stop into this candle.
Oh,
I have
fuck
it.
me.
I'm out. There you go. I think it's a better app. Oh, actually, it didn't trigger it. You should see this.
I'm going to drag it right under the current price randomly. Oh, it got me. What's going on with the screen right now?
Look,
What the fuck?
it didn't fill it.
I hope not. I hope it keeps going.
You might have, bro. You might want to refresh your page. You might want to make sure don't laugh at it. Yeah. Figure
There
out
you
what you're
go.
going on before you end up in a short or something like that.
No, I just have 10 contracts on, right? So it's
I
like
filled 4.
it
just
filled
filled
4 of the 10. There you go, I'm out. So it shows you how much volume there is in the market when an order of 10 micros doesn't fill immediately.
Yep.
Good job,
Nice.
chat. Nick said
Good job,
first
chat.
plus 400 on my first funded account. First trade of the first funded account.
Good job, chat.
Beautiful.
Very good.
So now watch this come back.
Yeah, probably. And Q's underneath his view ups couldn't break it there. Induce the amateurs to chase the high and make him cry over the weekend. So
Chasing trades on YouTube is I'm fucked in my short. Haha. Why are you chasing trades, bro? No pun intended.
Yeah,
All
where
right,
was this
let's
week from?
Bye. Go enjoy your 4th of July. Have a great weekend. We're back Monday. 2 streams on Monday, everybody. Don't be late. 2 streams Monday. Giveaways. Make sure you email me if you won the giveaway. We'll do more next week. Great job on the double break. YouTube channels for the 3 of us have a ton of videos for you to study this weekend. So thank you to the sponsors. Thank you to everybody for being here. Have a great 4th of July, everybody. Happy birthday, America.
Peace.
We'll see you guys Monday.